Good morning from Cambodia. My name is Torin, and if you are new here, I am traveling with my 3 best friends down here in Southeast Asia. This is officially our 6th day of backpacking, and we've been doing things constantly every single day. I'm on my way to the beach now to get some breakfast, so I'll tell you all about it there. Okay, first of all, we traveled 30 hours to get here from Norway. Thailand, we made it! Woo! Then we spent one night in Bangkok. Yeah. We were just walking down the streets of Bangkok, trying to find a nice restaurant, and we found one, with good food. We got scorpions on the menu. We got some other insects. We got some larvae. The boys found some nice dinner. We got scorpion on
Cheers, boys!
Cheers, cheers.
Skål. Jeg kan svelge det. Fuck nails. Det var ikke det det smakte så ekkelt, det var bare
After that, we met up with the tour bus that was going to take us through the whole of Combodia. Here we, for example, woke up at 4:30 a.m. to see the sunrise over Angkor Wat, one of the most famous temples in the world.
Welcome back to History Time with Tuve and Nelly. What you gotta say, Nelly?
No, you know the place we are in now? This is an ancient place with a lot of buildings. It's built of rock. It's pure rock. So yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah, it's very cool. It's in Cambodia. It's called the Agnok Walk or something. It's actually built by the Danish and Swedish.
Actually, there, bro.
Yeah, break
you
it
see
down.
today, it's very nice weather. It's sun outside. It's blue skies. And yeah, we're having a blast of time, yo.
Yeah, you have to talk about history, bro.
Yeah.
So it's very nice here. It was actually built for the kings in Sweden when they came here to occupy Cambodia. But they didn't make it because then the Colombian came, and you know Pablo Escobar. He was here and he built this, or he finished this, and he lived there for about 150 years.
Come on, dude. Of course, bro.
Oh, there we go. Thank you very much. Thank you. Look at this. Look at this. Now for the fun part. Yesterday we used $25 and we got a private boat to drive us to a private island with an amazing beach. We got served breakfast. We got a barbecue lunch on the beach, which was amazing. And we just got to enjoy this amazing place for $25. That's crazy. It was a sick day. So, while I enjoy this, you can enjoy the video from yesterday's adventure. Bye-bye. When in doubt, get a beer. When the snorkel is bad. I don't want a beer. Lunch on the beach. What's that? I don't know. It's chicken. Yeah, me and Tool scouted a little pier there. We might be able to jump off. So let's go! That was a sick day. So if you want to see more like these videos, then we'll be posting every single week when we're down here. So hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.